Welcome. In this video, you'll discover how to hide sensitive content in your search results on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your computer. This new update makes it simple to customize what appears in your searches, so you can create a safer and more comfortable browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open x.com and sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the side menu on the left. Find and click the option labeled More. This will open a list of additional settings and tools. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. Inside the Settings menu, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls all privacy options and helps you manage what you see and share on the platform. Next, find the option called Content You See and click it. This is where your display preferences and sensitive content options are stored. Now, you'll need to go one step further. Click Search Settings. Here you'll see a checkbox labeled Hide Sensitive Content. This setting ensures that posts marked as potentially sensitive, such as those with mature or graphic material, won't appear in your search results. Simply check the box next to Hide Sensitive Content. Once you've done that, your preferences will be saved automatically. There's no need to hit any save button. From now on, when you search for anything on X, your results will be filtered, keeping sensitive content out of view. This feature is especially helpful if you share your computer, use X in public, or prefer a cleaner browsing experience without unexpected or triggering material appearing. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to hide sensitive content in your search results on X for the web. Give this setting a try and take control over what you see online. Thanks for watching.